In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable time tracking in Jira. Whether you're managing a project or simply keeping track of tasks, knowing how to enable time tracking can be incredibly beneficial. It helps teams monitor progress and estimate future efforts with ease. Now, let's dive into the process step by step. First, head over to the Jira website. If you're new to Jira or haven't used it in a while, just type Jira in your browser or use your saved bookmarks to get there. Once you arrive at the Jira homepage, you'll see various options to log in. For convenience and security, you can click on the Google option to sign in using your Google account credentials. This step ensures you're securely logged into Jira, ready to access your project boards. Next, you'll need to navigate to your specific project board. Look for the designated board that your team is using. Once you find it, you'll notice 3 dots, usually referred to as the More Options menu, located at the top right corner of your board's header. Click on this to proceed. Now, from that drop-down menu, select Board Settings. This section is where you'll manage various elements of your board, including time tracking settings. Once inside the board settings, you will see a variety of tabs. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with these options because they allow you to customize your board to better fit your team's workflow. For the purpose of enabling time tracking, we're particularly interested in the Estimation tab. Click on this tab to access the time tracking settings. The estimation settings play a crucial role in planning and can be useful for Scrum Masters, product managers, or anyone involved in project timelines. Finally, once you're in the estimation settings, you will see an option labeled Time Tracking. Simply turn on this feature to enable time tracking for your board, and that's it. By enabling this feature, you're granting your team the ability to log time against tasks and track how much time is being spent on various activities. Remember, time tracking can not only help maintain efficiency, but can also provide valuable insights into your team's performance and productivity. It might take a bit of time for everyone to get used to logging their hours, but it's definitely worth the effort in the long run. So there you have it, a straightforward guide to enabling time tracking in Jira. If you found this helpful, consider exploring other features that Jira offers to optimize your project management experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you and your team work even more effectively.